Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wix eCommerce to publish new product pages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Wix website by entering www.wix.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Wix account. Type in your email address and click Continue. Next, you need to enter your password. Type your password carefully in the designated field. After entering your password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Wix dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Store. From the Store menu, select Products. Now click on Add Product. Choose whether you want to add a physical or digital product. Fill in all necessary details, including product name, description, and price. Upload any images that represent your product effectively. Make sure to select relevant categories for easier navigation. After filling in the details, click Save or Publish to finalize your new product page. To ensure everything appears as expected, navigate to your live site. Check the newly added product page for accuracy and functionality. Once satisfied, you have successfully published a new product page on Wix eCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.